Hello guys, here we are today uh, streaming live on YouTube for the first time ever. Actually, I wanted to stream it live so I can have a larger amount of time maybe, okay, to show you how to become a profitable Forex trader. So watch till the end and enjoy it and learn. Okay, so as usually we are on 1 minute chart, euro dollar. As we have said before, you should choose a forex pair which has a low spread. Okay, so I have EMA 9 blue one, EMA 20 red one, okay, and EMA 50 and EMA 200. I don't want to use EMA 50 and 200 for now. I will just show you on EMA 20 and 50. Okay, so here we are. Perfect. Now I'm waiting for the price to move a little bit far from EMAs. As you can see, volume is not so high, so market is not so fast, but still we can make some profits. Okay, now price is touching EMAs, so you don't have any entry here, and I will wait for the good setup to show up. That's key of success in trading. Usually you have to wait for your setup to become 100% practical, so in this point you enter your transactions. Okay, you give your orders. So we are waiting. Price is still on EMAs, and now I'm waiting for price to move a little bit away, either higher or lower. It's okay, it's fine for me. High. Let's see, price is now going a little bit up, but still in touching EMA, so we cannot do anything. Okay, price is becoming volume is becoming higher than EMA 20, which is applied to volume. It means market is moving a little bit faster for now, so we hope that market move faster so we can catch some opportunity. Okay, we are on 1 minute scalping. When you watch this video, and I advise you to watch all my other videos so you can learn the only strategy that works in forex trading. And guess what, it's a scalping on 1 minute chart, so you will be making a huge amount of profits in a very short amount of time. We are talking about minutes. Okay, and now you will see me how I make it, and you can watch me in other videos. Okay, price is starting to move a little bit low, so my entry will be soon if price went lower and lower again. As I told you, volume was an indicator that price is going to be a little bit faster, so market is starting to move in a faster way. Here we are. Okay, we just hope that price move lower and lower. Still waiting for price to become lower. Okay, it's going down to retouch EMAs, so in that case you do nothing. Okay, we are live on YouTube, so for the first minutes we didn't have any entry yet because price is still very close to EMAs. As you know, I'm waiting for price to move a little bit away from it. Actually, I went live when market is not so fast. Okay, hopefully now it will go a little bit faster. Let's wait and see. Okay, price is going down again. Now it's time to enter. Okay, please go a little bit more, baby. A little bit down, lower. Okay, it's not going so low, so okay. Okay, if it go a little bit lower, I'm going to have my first entry. That's it. My first entry, my second one. Okay, as I told you before, you should keep buying until by cost averaging method you will be winning. Okay, so let's see what's happening there. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to quit here when price retouches EMAs. That's what. Okay, so you have to quit when price retouches EMAs. And here we are. Price is doing nothing actually. Volume is so low. Okay, price is going up and down. Now price should go here. Okay, perfect. Now I close it. Okay, perfect. How much did I made? $490. $500 profits in less than 1 minute of my entry. Okay, less than 1 minute, $500 in profits. This entry took me just 1 minute, okay, and I closed it after 1 minute and made $500. $500, baby. Okay, so this is the strategy I'm talking about. You can make tons of money from this career using this strategy, and I assure you, this is the only strategy that works, and it's always profitable in forex trading. Okay, don't waste your time reading books or looking other places, searching for the holy strategy that will makes you a winner, a profitable, a consistent profitable trader. That's it here. This is the only channel that shows you real trading, explain to you the real strategy. Just learn it and apply it. And please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe, okay, because you encourage me to upload more and more videos and to reveal to you the whole secret with lots of great explanations. Okay, so I will repeat the method. When price is below EMAs, I buy. When price is above EMAs, I sell. Okay, I'm talking about EMA 9 and EMA 20. Okay, EMA 9 and EMA 20. Those are like the gearbox in your car. Now price, as you can see, is just touching EMA 9. So I do nothing. Okay, I wait for price to get a little bit far, like I did before when price was there, and I made $500. Now I'm waiting again for price to get a little bit higher or lower. Okay, and as you can see, I take as much as I can selling positions. Okay, or buying positions. Okay, because of cost averaging method, I will be a winner. Okay, here we are. My first sell, my second sell. Okay, perfect. This is my second one. As you can see, price is going higher than EMAs, so I started to sell my first one and my second one. Now we wait for price to retouch EMA, so my take profit will be somewhere here, but I don't rely on take profit. Actually, I close it by myself manually, and I never use a stop loss, because a stop loss is for, guess who, for losers. Okay, so here we are waiting for the price to get back to reach EMAs and make lots of money from it. If price keep going higher and higher, what do? You just sell more and more. By cost averaging method, you will be a winner. Okay, let's see how price is going to retouch EMAs. Come on, come down a little bit more, little bit more, baby, little bit. Okay, it should go a little bit lower, so touch EMAs. Come on. Okay, volume is so low.
Okay, it must go a little bit lower to touch EMAs, then you will sell here. Okay, well, I think market is so low for now. Okay, price didn't touch it, as you can see. It's okay, it's fine. Sometimes this things happens. Okay, price went again higher, so I'm preparing to resell again, and price decided to go back down again, so it's fine for me. If it goes down, I wait until it reaches EMAs to close. If it goes up, I sell more and more, so I become a winner by cost averaging method. I hope you are really understanding the strategy, this simple and easy EMA strategy. Okay, and you start practicing it. Please leave your questions in comments. Okay, don't forget to ask your questions if you're not understanding how things are working. Okay, for now I added another cell, and I could have quitted before, closed before, but it's fine. Okay, I've waited just to show you how things works. If it happens to you in practice, that's my goal, to show you how to act and react when things are moving. Okay, so now as you can see, I have 3 or 4 orders, actually 3 orders. Okay, and I'm waiting for price to retouch. That's it, that's it, that's it. Price is retouching, so now you close. Okay, now you close, price is retouching. Okay, perfect, perfect, we did close. Okay, account history, we were 490, now we are 730, which means it's $240, let's say $250 in profits. So first time $500 in profits, and now $250 in profits. Look at my profits, look. Okay, and some of them went through take profit, as you can see. Perfect. Okay guys, let's see, price is going up again, so it's another opportunity. As I told you before, you will have too much opportunities in scalping. Okay, you will make much of profits in a very short amount of time. That's it. Are you understanding me or not? Are you understand? Okay, now price is going higher again. It's another opportunity. Okay, I waited a little bit. I wanted price to get there. It didn't. Okay, it's fine. I missed a little opportunity, but that's fine. Okay, I will have another opportunity in some minutes now. As you can see, it's very, very fast. We are making huge profits in a very amount of time, baby. We are not playing here. Okay. So now price, what? Why now I am waiting? And by the way, when you are waiting, it's an order. You have 3 types of orders. Put this in your head: buy, sell, and wait. Wait is a great order. Okay, you have to learn when to wait and when to enter. Now I'm waiting. Why? Because price is near EMA 9 and EMA 20. When price moves far away, let's say higher or lower, okay, here I have to enter. Okay, the waiting order here is not my friend when the market is distant from EMAs. But like here now, my market is just touching EMAs, I do nothing. Okay, now my order is wait. Okay, okay, price is started to go down. Price started to go down. That's perfect. Okay, it's a buy opportunity. Price started to go down. That's perfect. It's a buy opportunity. Okay, that's a buy opportunity. Price started to go down. Okay, perfect. I entered my first transaction. Price is down now. Okay, that's my phone. I forgot to put it on silent mode. Excuse me. I'm sorry for that. Okay, my second buy. Can you see? Can you see? Price is here, is far away from EMAs. So you buy because price will reach back EMAs. Take a look. Take a look. Okay, this is a buy limit here. and another buy limit. I think price will go lower now. If price goes up, I wait to reach EMAs and I sell. Okay, let's make some zoom. Okay, focus guys, just focus. Price, here are EMA 9, EMA 20. I'm waiting for price to retouch them, but price is very low now. If it goes lower, I would buy more and more. Actually, I have a buy limit, 2 buy limit orders. Sometimes buy limit don't get taken, so you have to place it by yourself again. You cannot always rely on limit orders. Okay, but here we are, price is going a little bit down, as I told you. Yes, I have the feeling of the market. That's one of the success key in markets. One day you will start to feel the market. You will know when market is going fast and low, and just by looking at the chart. You don't need any indicators, guys. Okay, as you can see, I just use volume indicator. I just use it's nothing. Okay, price is going up again. As you can see, buy limit was not taken, and I was talking, so I didn't pay attention to buy. It's okay, it's fine. I'm still winning from here to there. That's it. Okay, I'm waiting for price to retouch them. Okay, go please, touch them. Okay, I could have bought here and made much more profit. That's okay, perfect. I closed a little bit before. That's fine. That's fine. Since I'm talking to you live and trying to focus on trading at the same time, that's okay, perfect. So we made from those last two 110 and 90 $200 again. So we are 930, around $1,000 within, I don't know, a little bit, some minutes, let's say. Okay, so as you can see, I closed a little bit earlier, but price touched it. I should have closed here. Okay, when price is touching EMAs, but that's fine. I closed a little bit earlier. Okay, that's great. Now I'm waiting again. Price is just near EMAs, so price is going to move away. Okay, we are repeating the same process, same strategy. Now I'm waiting for the price to move a little bit away, either up or down. Okay, and in the last transaction I could have made more profits by waiting to reach EMAs first, and second by if my buy order limits were taken. Okay. Okay guys, so we continue here. Here we are. So we are still waiting. Okay, price is starting to go up again. Hopefully it goes up higher and higher and higher, so we can buy or sell. As I have told you, I went live in a moment when the market is not so fast. So when market is faster, you can have much more entries, which means since you are always profitable, much more money. But that's fine. Now market is a little bit slow, so maybe it's good for you to learn more. Okay, price started to go down. Okay, perfect. Price is going down, as you can see, away from EMAs. Okay, I would wait to here. Okay, go down a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, just a little bit more, little bit. Okay, because the candle has not been finished yet, so So we just have to wait a little bit more. Candle is not finished, candle is not finished. Okay, okay, let's buy, because okay, actually you have to wait for the candle to be finished when you have a large candle, but since if you have a lot of experience like here, like I did, why I entered, because market is so low. Okay, so it cannot become a very big candle, and you know, because market is so low, so that's why I entered. Okay, but I usually wait for big candles to form completely. So instead of buying in the middle of the candle, you can buy at the low of the candle, but it depends on the pace of the market. Here the market is going so slow, so you cannot make this thing. Here we are. Okay, that's my first buy. Let's have a buy limit here, another one there. Okay, as you can see, I have buy limit orders. Price is EMAs are there, so we have to wait for EMAs. Okay. Price is going down again. Perfect. Let's have another buy before touching my buy limits. Price is going down again. Okay, price is preparing to go up. Price is preparing to go up, and now I'll make too much profit. We just have to wait. In this case, prices went down. Okay, didn't took my buy limit. I didn't took it, so I would move it. Oh no, it took it as a stop loss. I want to remove this one. Modify. Okay, I just wanted to move my. Okay, I think it took it both. Okay, it took my buy limit and my buy order. That's fine. Everything is fine. Okay, price is going also faster and okay, it took my buy limit. Another one. Okay, this will make big profits if price started to go up from here. Okay, we will have big profits. As you can see, volume started to touch EMA applied to it again, which means market is starting to go faster and faster. Here we are, price here, EMA is 9, EMA 9, EMA 20. Okay, price started to go up. Okay, now I have too many buy orders, and I'm waiting for price to go up. Okay, it started to go up. Okay, perfect. It didn't touch yet. Okay, now it's going to touch it. Pay attention, pay very close attention now. Pay very close attention. It's going to touch it now. Pay close attention. Okay, it went very close but didn't touch it, and I didn't close it. Okay, it must go up again and again. Let's see what's happening. Okay, it went very close but didn't touch it. Actually, I could have closed in the profits if I would have closed here, but that's fine. We can wait to touch. That's okay. Okay, now EMA9 is going so fast because the market is going fast. EMA20 is a little bit slow. Okay, those you will learn and practice more and more when you get more experience about this issue. So here we are. Okay, I could have closed here with tons of profits, but that's fine. I waited to touch EMAs. Okay, so as I told you, I have buy orders waiting for price to retouch EMAs so I can. Okay, perfect. Price went up again. I'm preparing to close. Okay, price is moving on sides, which means market doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. Buyer and sellers are in a big battle right now. Okay. Okay, price started to go up and up and up. Okay, let's see when it touch. Okay, it's going to touch right now. Okay, it's going to touch. Okay, go up a little bit more, baby, up a little bit more, up a little bit more, a little bit more, just a little bit more. Up a little bit more. Okay, it's going very close, but no touch. That's cool. Now it will touch. Now we will have a big up candle, as you can see. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I close. As I told you, when it touches EMA 20, okay, I am closing everything. When it touches EMA 20 with too many profits. Okay, that's perfect and more than perfect. We were 930 if I remember, and now we are 1390, so around $450 in profits. Okay, okay, so as a total $1,390 in a very short amount of time, as I have told you. And we are continuing, guys. We are continuing. As you can see, price went there. We went buy again, buy again, buy again, until price retouch EMA's 20, actually to become in between EMA 9 and EMA 20. We've made much of profits here. Okay, so keep focusing and keep focusing. Okay, now price is near EMA, so I cannot do anything. I'm waiting for price to go up, and that's a sell limit if price go up very fast. Okay, we are still waiting. Price is in between, so we do nothing in that case. Okay, price is still in between, so you do nothing. You just have to wait now until price go also higher or lower. When price go high or low, if high you sell, if low you buy. Okay, price is in between again and again. And by the way, when market is faster, of course I'll go live another time when market is fast, so keep so subscribe to keep watching my other videos. When market is faster, I make much profits, as you can see, because I will have more distant entries, which means more profits. Okay, price started to go up very fast, as you can see. Okay, perfect. As I have predicted, that's why I entered a sell limit position. Okay, price started to go up, but there is no volume, as you can see, so this trend will fade away. Okay, but we will make some profit from it if price goes a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit more. Okay, that's okay, perfect. From now on, perfect. Volume is starting to get high. That's good. My sell limits are ready. Okay, price is going high, very high. As you can see, EMA 9 is still under EMA 20, so now it will touch it. Until it touches it, price can go a little bit higher. As you can see, that's what I'm talking about. When EMA 9 touches EMA 20, price will start to going down again. Okay, but now it's going, as I told you, it will go up. Okay, I hope my sell limit, okay, my sell limit is taken. Perfect. Perfect. Now EMA 9 crossed EMA 20, so price can start returning. Okay, it's going still higher. Okay, that's another sell. And my take profits if market goes so fast. Let's have some take profits ready. Now, as you can see, I am on the above side, the high side, which means I have sell transactions, sell orders. Okay, and I'm waiting for the market to retouch EMAs, so I close it in profits. Okay, so now I'm waiting for markets to retouch EMAs from the above side this time. Okay, market started to go down. As you can see, volume didn't cross EMA 20. That's a great sign. Okay, so trend is starting to fade. Okay, but price still decided to go up, and I made another sell. Keep watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will adjust my take profits since EMAs are going up. Okay, market did too many candles without touching EMAs, so now it will go just within maybe one candle, one big candle. Okay, maybe it will be a one big candle retouching to offset what happened in the uptrend. Okay, that's how markets work. Of course, you will have this feeling later on with more and more experience. You will start feeling those things. Let's have another sell here. Okay, market is going up. Perfect. I have too many sell orders. Okay. Market is going higher and higher and higher. Okay, now as I have told you, it may take only one big candle, one black big candle to offset all this uptrend. That's why I'm selling, okay? Because we have a very big uptrend without touching EMAs, okay? So market may have a big black candle. Volume is a little bit low also, so let's see what will happen. As you can see, in that case, I'm on the above side, I'm selling, and also I didn't have just one transaction. As always, I have had many transactions, selling transactions. As I told you, one big black candle. Let's hope it continues until it touches EMA so I can quit with profits. Okay, price is going also down. Price is going to retouch. Okay, price is going to touch EMA 20, EMA 9. I'm sorry. Okay, it didn't touch it actually, to be honest, here. So now it will go back down. You just have to wait a little bit. Yes, patience is key in Forex trading, of course. You will learn it with time. Okay, here we are. Price touched here EMA 9. That's okay. It will go again until EMA 20 because it's still far from it. So I'm going to wait for it to become in between or something like that. Still waiting for price to get back to EMAs again. Okay, price starting to go down as we have predicted. It should come here in between EMAs. Okay. Okay, price starting to go down. Okay. It must go lower. It must become lower. We should have a lower price. We are waiting. Market is so slow, so slow. But that's fine. Okay, price decided to go up again. That's okay. Here what do? You start selling again, reselling. Okay, reselling, it means selling from the same level and selling more and more above. Okay, because you actually have already a high. You already have a high level. Okay, so it may retouch that high. For example, like here, I sold and that high. Okay, hoping that market will retouch it and return back. Okay, okay, market is going up. That's perfect. Okay, so in that case, as you can see, market start to go up. Okay, so that's a perfect case to show you. I'm glad that it happened live on YouTube to show you what do you do in that case. Keep watching to learn. I'm trying to adjust my take profits. Here we are, waiting for price to get back again. Okay, another sell order. Okay, that's another one. Another sell order. That's perfect. Market is so slow for right now. I hope more that volume get a little bit bigger. As you can see, EMA applied to volume is decreasing, which means volume is going very down. It means market is so slow for right now. Okay, now we will see a big black candles as happened before. As you can see, price started to move towards EMAs. That's what we want. Perfect. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to touch EMA 20. Okay, because as you can see, it went away very far from it, and too many candles without touching it. So it's time for the price to retouch EMA 20. That's what I'm waiting for, and I will be making too much profits from it. Okay. So waiting for the price to retouch EMA 20. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Price is going or prepared to go down. Price price is going down, preparing to go down, let's say. Okay, it didn't. That's a tough situation. Price is just moving nowhere, so we can't do anything but wait. Okay, as you can see, price is here. We are still waiting for it to retouch EMAs. It's playing somehow. Yeah, that happens when market is moving slow. Sometimes price start going sides. Okay, and when price go on sides, it's not a good time to enter the market, but we can't do anything. We just have to wait for the price to get back to where we want it to be. Okay, sideways are killers, but you can't do anything. We just have to accept them and move on. So market is going. We are still waiting. Okay, price started to touch EMA 20, that's a great sign. And now to EMA 20, which is the red one just right here. So I'm going to close when price do this again. But market is so damn slow. Okay, price is playing again. Okay, since market has moved very much in sideways, and that way you lose some of your profits. Okay, you don't make much profits in such type of entries when price start going sideways. Okay, you lose some profits because when price is going sideways, as you can see, EMA goes higher, and that's not good for you. So by cost averaging method, you will be like offsetting your profits. Okay, somehow. I hope you have understand me. Okay. If you did understand what I'm saying, so you will know that when price is going on sides like here, it's very bad for. Okay. Okay, price started to go. Price is going on sides and now decided to go up. That's cool. We have to wait again for price to retouch EMA 20. Just have to wait for it. Okay. Perfect. Price started to go down and volume is going lower and lower and lower. When volume is like that, market don't knows what to do. It becomes sideways, choppy market. Okay, because there is no pressure, neither from buyers, neither from sellers. Volume is so low, no one is buying and no one is selling, so market goes sideways in that case. We are waiting. It's a boring market today. Let's be honest, it's a very boring market and we are waiting for the price to go down. But very boring. Okay, I have entered another sell orders, waiting for the market. It's very boring. I hate when markets is boring like that. You know, 1 minute chart, it should be faster. But that's okay. Another sell one. Okay, another sell. Okay.
Okay, now market should go down after all. I'm still adjusting my tape process for the market to go down and take them all. Okay, we are still waiting. Okay, perfect. Market started to go down. Perfect, that's it. As you can see, market started to go down. First gearbox is EMA 9, it will touch it and move on to EMA 20 and then 50 and then 200. As you can see here, price started to go down. EMA 9 is the first station, first gearbox. Now we are moving to the second and to the second and the third. But because market is so slow, it's choppy, it's difficult, it's tough, and it's boring. Because you know what will happen, but you have to wait. As you can see, volume is so low. It's not crossing EMA 20 applied to it. It's not. Market is so slow. In that case, it's so boring. But sometimes in that case, as you know, a big volume suddenly happens and take the market directly down to retouch EMAs. So it happens always. That's we have to wait on this choppy, boring market, but we'll end very soon. Okay, price started to go down again and again. Come on, baby, come on. Let's have a big black candle down and finish it. Come on, baby, come on. Okay, price is preparing to cross the down line, but buyers are still fighting and sellers are sleeping. That's okay. Okay, price is preparing to go down and down and down, again and again and again. Okay, perfect. Price is ready, perfect. Oh, this is very okay. I could have moved out here, okay, but when you got more experience, I told you let's have EMA 50 and 200 for later on. So now I'm playing on the advanced gearbox, which are 50 and 200, okay, just to make much more profits. Okay, I will explain to you about it later on because it's a little bit advanced. It's same idea like EMA 20 and EMA 50, EMA 9 and EMA 20, but 50 to 100 is a little bit advanced. Okay, so when you got more experience, you can start using those advanced gearbox. As learning to drive a car, you start with first and second and maybe third gearbox, and later on you adjust, you become more advanced, you become a more skilled driver, so you start using higher gearboxes. Okay. This market is making me asleep. I'm falling asleep. Come on, baby, come on. Okay, price is ready to go down in a very good way. Okay, price is ready to go down. Okay, perfect. Price went down, as you can see. It has surpassed EMA 20. Okay, now we are waiting for EMA, this one 50 and this one 200. Just take a look. Just take a look. Okay, come on, baby, come on, come on, come on, baby, come on. That's perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Come on. Oh, okay, some of my orders are in take profits. Okay, so I just have to move them a little bit to avoid any confusion. Okay, perfect, perfect. Come on, continue, come on. Come on, baby, come on. It touches the EMA 20. I'm waiting for it to retouch this one, the blue one. But price decided to go back up again because it's a very boring market today. Very boring market. I wanted price to touch here the blue one, but it's a very boring market today. What can we have to say about it? Okay, but you could have been out here and with too much profits after EMA 20. Okay, but since I'm more experienced, I've waited for 50 and 200. Okay, price is going up, no worries, no worries. No worries. No worries, no worries, no worries. It went down very slow and now it's going up. No worries at all. It will go down again, no worries. As you can see, the idea behind it, okay, it went a little bit, took time to retouch EMA 20, but it touched it at the end. And now I'm waiting for the price to, for me, because I'm advanced, I'm waiting for the price to retouch blue and red one, and 250. That's what I want to say, blue and green one. Okay, but if you are a beginner, you could have quit here like we did before. But since I want much more profits, I'm waiting for the higher gearbox, which are 50 and 200. As you can see, price is preparing for the 50 and 200. But market is so slow, that's why it took time. This whole shit should have been taking 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, it took like 15 minutes, or I don't know, because market is so slow. Anyway, price went higher again, went low again. As you can see, it went up. Okay, it passed EMA 20. Now it will continue till EMA 50 and hopefully 200. Let's see. Let's see, guys. But you could have been quitting here, okay? And if you have missed your first chance, now you have another one to quit. Price is on EMA 20. Okay, perfect. It's going down. As I have told you, I'm waiting for more advanced gearboxes.
Okay. Okay, price should have go a little bit more. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Come on, baby, go down a little bit more, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, come on, come on. Touch the blue one. Come on, come on, baby. Come on, go down. Come on, come on. Okay, down a little bit. Okay, perfect. It touches the blue one, so I start to close my transactions and catch my profits. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So that's 1500. Okay. This one was almost equal. Profits offset it because of very slow market. You could wait for it to become here on 200, but market is so slow. I got a little bit boring. Anyway, I hope that the whole idea is really understood. Okay, that you have really understood it and you start applying it. Okay, please leave your comments, your question, your opinions in the comments section, and I will try my best to reply. Please like this video so lots of people can learn from it. Okay, that's my mission. To make everyone believe that you can succeed in forex trading. It's not impossible. Yes, it's possible. I have made millions in forex trading. Okay, that's my career. I am an independent forex trader. Okay, and now I have retired because of forex trading. So I want people to start believing in themselves in this career that they can make money. Okay, so please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can receive all my news, all my videos. Okay, and don't miss this opportunity here to sell. Okay, goodbye guys, see you in my next videos.